Hello everyone. In this video, we'll take an in-depth look at Surfshark, exploring both the pros and cons so you can decide for yourself. If you're ready to try it out, check the link in the description for a great deal. Let's start with privacy. Surfshark is based in the Netherlands, which follows European Union GDPR laws and is part of the Nine Eyes Intelligence Alliance. This means Surfshark has to collect and retain some user data temporarily. While this might sound concerning, Surfshark is transparent about its practices. Any data collected is wiped within 15 minutes of ending your session. Additionally, Surfshark uses RAM-only servers that automatically delete all data upon reboot. These measures ensure your information is well protected despite legal requirements. Independent audits further back Surfshark's dedication to privacy, making it a trustworthy option even under stricter jurisdiction. Now, let's move to security. Surfshark's standard features include strong encryption, a kill switch, and leak protection. What sets it apart are advanced tools like CleanWeb, which blocks ads, trackers, and malicious websites. For even greater protection, Surfshark offers Surfshark One, a comprehensive security suite. It includes a top-rated antivirus, breach alerts for leaked personal data, and secure search for private browsing. Recent additions like Alternative ID for creating online personas and the Incognito service, which helps delete your data from brokers, make it an excellent choice for those focused on identity protection. Streaming is another highlight. Surfshark works with over 32,100 servers in 100 countries, allowing you to access content worldwide. It's torrent-friendly with no restrictions on P2P sharing. Speeds are impressive for streaming and downloading, though competitors like NordVPN are slightly faster and cover more locations. For most users, Surfshark's performance is more than enough for smooth streaming. Let's talk about pricing. Surfshark offers a fantastic price-to-value ratio, especially with Surfshark One included. It's one of the most affordable options, and there's no limit on how many devices you can connect. You can protect your entire household or share it with friends. However, setting up Surfshark on a router can be a challenge compared to other VPNs like NordVPN or ExpressVPN. Once installed, though, it performs flawlessly. Surfshark's app interface is simple and intuitive across platforms, even on Linux. However, the Linux app lacks features like split tunneling. On the bright side, Surfshark now supports Apple TV, expanding its usability. While Surfshark isn't perfect, especially regarding privacy laws, it compensates with excellent transparency, top-notch security, and strong streaming performance. If you value affordability, unlimited connections, and a wide range of features, it's a solid choice. If you're interested in Surfshark, check the link in the description to get an exclusive discount.